Hi everyone, in this video I will show you the specifications of new iPhone budget iPhone SE 2020, and I will tell you why I purchased this handset, and I am still keeping iPhone 11 Pro, but I like this iPhone and I will advise you to buy this iPhone. So this is iPhone SE of this year 2020. In white color. It's like a snow white, which I like my choice. This is nice color. Long time we not see Apple to do iPhone with in white color, so it's nice and it's thin. It's thinner than other iPhones. This is my iPhone 12 Pro. You see the full screen iPhone with 4.7 inches 16:9 of aspect ratio. You see it's different, but you see the size is almost same, almost just a little bit of iPhone 11. They are almost same. You think it's big difference, but there's not big difference for the size of the device. Yeah, so I think it's nice. I like this. I decided to sell my iPhone 11 Pro and use this nice Apple logo in the middle, like the premium iPhones. And I will explain for you the specifications for this new iPhone. So it's 4.7 inches, but it comes not like other iPhone. It comes in LCD screen display panel, the screen, but it's not full screen as I mentioned earlier, just LCD, not full screen. And the thickness of this iPhone is 7.3, like iPhone 8, 7.3 millimeter of thickness, and is lightweight. It's just 148 grams the weight, and the battery capacity is 1821 milliampere of battery capacity. It's also is fingerprint. It's not Face ID, so it's just unlock with finger. Is fast unlocking. Fingerprint scanner, and it got like iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max got Apple Pay for a faster payment method, mobile payment scheme. Yeah, and it has also like iPhone 11 Pro has fast battery charging plus wireless charging as well, and is waterproof phone, IP67 rating. The RAM is 3 GB of RAM, and iPhone 11 Pro is 4 GB, so it's not big difference. It comes in 3 memory, 64, 128 and 256 GB memory. And the camera is single camera, 12 megapixels, same as iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, but it's single camera, not dual or triple. Single 12 megapixel camera. Yeah, it's nice camera, and the video comes also as premium iPhones in 4K mode at 60 frames per second. Video and photo, still camera photo. and it has portrait mode, natural light, studio light, which is my favorite option, studio light, contour light, and then stage light. This is high key light mono and stage light mono, then stage light only, contour light, studio light, and then natural light, pano, camera, portrait, photo, still photo camera, video, selfie video, then still camera selfie, and then rear camera still photo, video with zooming, slow motion is same as the premium iPhone. It comes in Full HD at 240 FPS, frames per second, time lapse. Time lapse. So it's very nice camera, lightweight, easy to use. You can use the zoom manually as well, like that. Live photo. So the camera, as mentioned, 12 megapixel, and the selfie camera is 7. I think it's 7 megapixel. And video 4K 60 FPS, slow motion HD 240 FPS. So I recommend this iPhone. I advise to buy this iPhone. It's very good, reasonable price, and big difference than the premium iPhones. iPhone 11 Pro price is more than £1,000, and this iPhone SE is £420, so it's like £600 different, and no big differences. As I mentioned, it's almost similar phones, similar size. Yes, only the screen panel is LCD OLED, and the battery capacity is actually more battery capacity in iPhone 11 Pro. This comes in Face ID, and the iPhone SE in fingerprint sensor. So both of them, they got Apple Pay, waterproof, similar, fast battery charging. They got fast battery charging, wireless charging as well, and almost the RAM is 3 GB, 4 GB. Camera is 12 megapixel. This is 12 megapixel, but triple. Selfie iPhone SE is 7, and iPhone 11 Pro is 12 megapixel. Video recording is same, and slow motion recording function is same. So I really recommend to buy this lovely lightweight iPhone SE of 2020. Thanks for watching. Please leave comment, subscribe, share, like the video. Have a nice day. Bye.